What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a great day. As you can see by the thumbnail, I made a little over $600 in just 2 days. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a complete breakdown of the trades that I took. I only took 3 trades within those 2 days, and all 3 of these trades were taken using this exact scalping strategy that I'm going to be showing you guys in the video. The strategy is very, very simple, guys, and I promise that by the end of this video, after you watch it all the way through, you'll be able to implement this exact strategy into your own trading and take your trading to the next level. This is a super effective strategy. It works on all pairs, crypto, stocks, everything. It's just simple price action and market structure, and I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot and it helps the channel grow. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's just get right into the video. All right, so the first trade I took was on GPP JPY. I'm going to show a screenshot right now showing you guys that I did take this trade and that I entered when I say I entered. So the basic idea of this strategy is simply waiting for resistance to be broken and then targeting the next level of resistance. You can do the same thing with support. You have support being formed. As soon as price breaks below that support, you take a sell position and target the next level of support. You can either wait for a candle to close above resistance or below support, or you can enter on impulse during high volume time frames only. You don't want to do that during the middle of the day. You want to do that during the New York session or the London session only. Otherwise, you want to wait for a candle to close above resistance or below support and then take your trade accordingly. So that's all it is. It's very simple. So on GJ, as you can see, we're in a very nice uptrend, right? Price is making new highs constantly. So in order for price to make those new highs, it has to break its previous resistance. So here we are on the chart on the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, price has made this resistance. I marked up the zone right here. This was during a high volume time frame. This was during the New York session. So I placed a buy order above this highest wick here, because if price comes up and breaks past this wick, this support is no longer, this resistance is no longer valid at this point, and price is most likely going to come up and test this next level of resistance, which is actually marked on the 4-hour time frame way back there. I don't even want to go all the way back there, but I had to go pretty far back because GJ has just been breaking high after high after high. It's literally at an all-time high this year. So anyway, we have this resistance being formed. I placed a buy order right here above this wick, and let's see how it turns out. And so here we are. My buy order did not get activated just yet, but this candle actually closed above this resistance. So this is even more confirmation. This is actually better than an impulse entry, right? This candle did what none of these other candles could do. It closed above the resistance. So now this resistance is most likely not valid anymore, and price is going to go and test the next level of resistance, which is marked on the 4-hour time frame. And guys, this was a 20 pip trade. I took 3 lots on this trade. However, I did close 60% of my position early and let my runner run all the way to my take profit, which was 152.750 for a 20 pip gain. And so let's just see how it plays out. Beautiful. And so as you can see, I didn't almost get stopped out. Price actually came down first and then came up to activate my order. So I know it looks like I almost got stopped out, but I wasn't in any drawdown on this trade at all. Price just came up and smashed my TP, guys. And that was trade number 1. All right, so this is a trade I took on gold on the 5-minute time frame. I actually missed this trade and I entered really late and got lucky. So, I don't think you should necessarily do what I did, but I'll tell you here what I should have done and what I was actually looking for. I just missed the trade. So basically same thing. We have resistance, and we're just going to wait for price to break above these 2 wicks right here. And during the New York session, obviously gold just moves like crazy. Super high volume on gold, and so if it breaks past both of these wicks, this thing is gone. It's going up to the next level of resistance, which I marked right here. This is actually not really a level of resistance. It's just kind of the beginning of a range, right? So when price comes up to this level, it's going to have some rejection, right? Because here you have clean candles, right? And so we can expect price to also create clean candles up to this area right here. So coming back, let's see what happens. And bam, see, price just moves on gold. Basically though, I entered, I'm going to show the screenshot right now. I entered like way up here, and I literally just scalped this for a quick 12, 13 pip profit, and I was out, right? Just like that. With gold, I don't mess around. I'm in and out. This was a pretty bad trade. I would have liked to enter right here. I would have made a lot of money if I entered, you know, right here, and then targeted this resistance. This is like 40 pips, and I would have made like $400 with just one lot. It is what it is. I still came out profitable. I got lucky, I'm not gonna lie. But let's go on to the last trade on GPP JPY. And for this trade, guys, same exact thing. GJ is still in an uptrend, right? It's going to create resistance, and then it's going to break that resistance to create new highs. GJ was actually ranging for a very, very long time here. This would have been a great buy right here. We have resistance, price broke above, and then you just target the next level of resistance. This was the previous trade that I just showed you, and here we go. So on this one, ideally, I would have liked to enter right above this wick right here, but I was 2 pips late. I entered right up here, and I didn't place a buy order. I entered this one manually. I targeted the next level of resistance, which is again on the 4 hour, way back in the past. I think I looked way back to 2018 for the next level of resistance. And price just did what it does, man. When it breaks resistance, it comes up and tests the next level of resistance. And in this case, it smashed my TP. Price actually came down first and then came up, and I executed right here. So no, I did not get stopped out on this trade. I'm going to show the screenshot right now, showing you that I did enter when I say I entered and exit when I did exit. So this was the trade. And so if I zoom out now and you look, right, you could have entered on every single break of resistance. Here we have resistance, it broke through, made a new high. Here we had resistance, broke through, made a new high. Here's the trade I caught. Broke resistance, made a new high, created resistance, broke it, made a new high. It's that simple, guys. And if you're in a downtrend, you do the same thing, right? If you have support and that support is broken, you take a sell and target the next level of support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. This is a very, very effective strategy, and I really advise you guys to implement this into your own trading. I made a full video on this strategy, a more in-depth video that I'm going to link in the description, so check that out. But as you can see, I'm going to post the screenshots again. This adds up to a little bit over $600, I think like $630. Only 3 trades in 2 days. Stop over trading. If you take a win, you're already in the top 1% of traders. Just call it a day. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. It helps the channel grow a lot. I post free educational content every single week, and I'm also documenting my journey to getting funded with FTMO. I'm showing live trades. I'm breaking down every single trading day and being as transparent as possible. And yeah, man, if you want free value, you want to learn how to trade Forex for free, subscribe to the channel and join the family. If you have any comments, I'll be happy to answer everybody's comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.